Hello and welcome back for my project. In this project we are building the family organizer where you can organize your family and what you want to do. In this video we will create the login page. It's only UI right now, and like the previous two videos it's still a UI interface we are building up before we going to creating the login and the other server stuff. So we need to have the UI finished first. The first one I want to do is make a run npm upgrade so we can upgrade to the newest packages. I have already do this, so you can do the same. The next is I figure out we have a little bit cleanup issues here, so I have a small box from the previous video I need to take care of in this. The first one is we have the navigation drawer. I need to fix it here, this one, and then we need to remove it. So just remove this one, and if this is fixed, so we want to change it to this. If you're going back to the website, you can see you still have all of those. What we want to do now, I really don't like the dark mode, so I have starting to see what's happening, and I figure out inside the Nuxt configuration it's having the section here about the beautifier, and I don't like this. I want my own, so I remove this. And the next we want to do, it's adding the router middleware, so we can be sure every page you have should be should trigger the middleware, except if you're hitting on the user login page. So let's doing it here. Make the router and the middleware. Inside the middleware we need the authentication, and then we save it and going for the middleware and create one. In the middleware here we want to say export default function, and we need the app inside, and we need the redirect. Basically only need the redirect, sorry. And this we going inside and say console log, and then we need to return a redirect, and this should be name users login page. And then we need to create one more middleware, authentication is not required, and we can go up here and copy this and remove the redirect. The next step, we need to be sure it's the login here, the layout should be the component here. So what we want to do here is login, and we want app, app is the name, and then we need the Nuxt routing here, and we're going for the pages. We have create the folder users if you don't have it, and then a layout here to say login. Function user login. And if we reload here, it's happening nothing. We need to restart our application here. come back and reload it here, you can see it's coming soon, and we have all of those here. It's because we don't have telling the layout here. Should be layout is equal to login. As you can see, we have the navigation here. So, okay, try to do it one more time so you can see it. You can see everything here is not dark anymore, and it's it's beautiful and it's light. And yeah, let's going back and enable the login again, and I want to say middleware should be the authentication not required here. And then we should have it here. Trigger authenticate middleware. Still this middleware. So let's start again. Still trigger the authentication middleware. I will research and look up why it's doing it when it should not. So let's creating the login page now. We have the login here. This is our design, and we want to have it here, and we create it in the central. So let's begin. The layout's done. Page here is what we want, sorry, and we need a v content and a v container. In this container we say it should be the fill the height, and then we need a v layout. And what we're doing here, we say you need to fill the page in the width and in the height. And then we say the align here, oops, should be center, so everything inside should be center and should be justified. Center, and then we will build a Flexbox. Our Flexbox should be, in the small should be 12, in the extra small 12, and the small should be 8, and medium devices and up should be 4. Then we create a vcard and put a class on it. And a v-toolbar and the color. For now we can say primary. And dark and flat. That's what we have right now. And then inside this we need the v-toolbar title, and we will call it a family organizer login. This is the login page for the family organizer, and in the v-spacer on it. And then we are ready to build a vcard text and a v-form, so when you click something we can trigger it. Inside our form we want a v-text field, and this should be for now we need a label, password. I'm one line too fast, so login, and then we need the prepare icon, prepend icon should be media account circle outline, and type is equal to text, and we will say password here, and should be a log here, and the type here to be password. So let's see how it's react here, and everything is fine. So what we need now, it's the submit button. We will place it in the vcard actions. In this we need a vspacer, and we need a vbtn, and the color should be primary, and we can call login. It's fine to me. And then we have it, have a login bar. So now it's not working, so we can say I click here. If you click on this, we can use a authentication login. And then we have down here a method. Push, and we can put it to index. And to be sure it's working, we can comment this out. And now we are logged in. So that's how it happened, and we can put this back again, and we are back for login. So this is the login for Family Organizer, and we can see it's working as it should be. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel on the thing below in the right corner. And of course you can go for my GitHub account and follow me here, and you can download the source code. It's completely free, and you can play around. If you have feedback or questions, please make a comment below, and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching my videos. Hope to see you next time.